Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much for joining me today, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks again for joining me this holiday season. It's been a working holiday season, my friends, for The Scoop. And we have definitely been putting it down, and I've got some great information for you on one of our stocks here that maybe dozens, maybe hundreds of us have been trading. I don't know if you were around in the year 2017 when we traded this stock. So I used to put a lot of videos up, and I'd erase them and put them up and delete them, put them up and delete them, because I was going to use them later on for another project, my friends, that I was working on 3 years ago. But now we're here and we're, head over heels in it. So I'm going to give you the information that I would have been giving those paying customers back then, my friends. But hey, it is what it is. We're involved with this trade. OWCP, we believe in this small little company out of Israel. We believe in them. We believed in them when they went up and when they came down back in 2017. I'll be telling you a little bit about the history of that, my friends, here in a second. As you guys know, I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can get these books at your local library. You just go to your local library and tell your local librarian, hey, we want to get some Mickey D books, and they'll order them for you free, my friends. That's a free service around America and around the world. So I want you to really, really take advantage of that. If you have some of the audiobooks, please redeem those books, because those codes, will expire on you. So make sure you just have them on your whatever your device is, and we'll go from there, my friends. It's free. You guys know books like The Largest Indoor and Outdoor Marijuana Farms in the World, where I talk on page, right here on page 29, the 6 most advanced countries in terms of medical cannabis research. Talk about Israel and their effect and what they're going to be doing, my friends, on this business. Israel is the country that pioneered cannabis research, and it still remains a major hub for research in the field. That, as I talk you read that chapter on those 6 companies, you know exactly what's going on, my friends. And that's what we're going to talk about right now. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you're with your family and you're enjoying a great holiday season. Great to hear that. But OWC Pharmaceutical Research out of Israel, OWCP, is the symbol on the over-the-counter, my friends. My friends, many of us bought this at a penny, or some people have bought it under a penny. Now you're up on that 100, 200, 300%. I put the alert out that it's not a bad thing, my friends, to take profits, because, my friends, the Israel celebrates the holiday. It will end on we're talking about Hanukkah. It will end on Monday, on the 1st, on Monday here coming up. Hanukkah will end. It's Saturday right now as I give you this message, my friends. It will end on Monday. We anticipate anticipating a possible announcement from OWCP that may come about a reverse split. Now, that may come Monday, it may come Tuesday. Wednesday is the New Year holiday, and we're looking at, if not Thursday or Friday, we may be backing the truck up on OWCP. There's a couple things I want you to be aware of, my friends. And in 2017, it filled its gaps. We have a gap, my friend, at roughly, we're at 4.042 cents right now. We have a gap at 0.28 and to 0.25. That little gap has to fill. We're at 4.2 right now. So we're going to come down and fill that gap at 0.028 to 0.25. That's our next little buy zone there, as you want to call it. Some people call them buy zones, or they call it really research zones or look zones, or look again zones. But of course, you don't even care if you bought it at a penny and you're just going to go for the ride. In 2017, we started rolling, my friends, at about 10 cents. Now, we were at that 7 to, if I can recall, maybe we did go down from 5 cents to 7 cents. We did test 0 again, my friends. So many of you are thinking, oh, I'm going to be wiped out or what have you. You got to roll with it. This is very speculative. This is not, if you have a weak stomach, my friends, this is not your stock, okay? You have a weak stomach, because we're going to go down. 10 cents, we started rolling. 10 cents. And I do recall there was one day where we went from roughly maybe 8 cents to like almost a quarter, my friends. But we did come back down to that 10 cent, 12 cent level or so. And we headed back up. My friends, we had an intraday high of $3 and about 25 cents before it closed that day at $2 and maybe 20 cents or something, 30, 50 cents. Who knows? I haven't really looked at it that deep. I'm going by memory, my friends, of OWCP, because I remember I made money on it. Anything you make money on, you kind of remember. Like the scoop with Mickey D. You guys have made a lot of money, so you remember. And I like that loyal knit group. We don't need the outsiders and stuff. My friends, we're a international loyal knit group. Loyal to one another. You guys have been hanging in there with me. You guys deserve the fruits of your labor, my friends. Like I said, Hanukkah will end on Monday. We have to fill that gap. 0.028, 0.025. That little area there from the 5 to the 8, we have to fill. So we will be going back down, my friends. If it goes up to 5, if it goes up to 7 or so, I still believe that we're going to come down and we're going to fill that gap. So it depends on what happens. If there's an announcement from the company, we'll see. Sometimes gaps aren't filled, my friends, but I do believe that we're going to fill this gap. And after the new year, I will feel more comfortable purchasing more shares, as I'm going to get with my stockbroker, and we're going to find out if I should go ahead and get some more or not. And I want you to talk to your stockbroker or your money manager or whoever handles all those shares that you have, and you see if it's time to trade it on. And it's very, very cool to go for a free ride, my friends, like you're doing. Basically, you know, I full disclosure, I had purchased at a dollar, at a penny. I had purchased like 40,000 shares, and then it went up, and I sold half. So kind of like a free ride now type deal. So and I may be selling those also, because I believe if we break that 2.5, then we're going to test like we did in 2017. We may test 0 again. And we were low. Like I said, we were between 2 and 7 cents in 2017 for about roughly maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months. We were there. But if you're patient and you see the future of where it's going, and you believe in the research, you're going to be patient, and you're going to make out on OWCP, my friends. That's the message I want to get to you. Be careful. Enjoy yourself this holiday season, my friends. Yes, they have this patent. Yes, they're dealing with skins and lotions and everything, and they'll help disease of the skin and that kind of thing. And we did at the conference, I was telling you, in Los Angeles, at one of the conferences, I was telling you guys, you can look at those videos and stuff at the conferences, I was telling you, skin was a big time major project. They even had things that you could, that were not going to hurt your skin or harm your skin in any way if you were going to be working with cannabis products or working with CBDs and stuff. So that is very, very important for you, my friends. OWCP, we're in it to win it, my friends. We're going to do very, very well, just like we did in 2017. We're going to do very, very well, my friends. with OWCP. Just be patient. Hang in there. Like I told you, that's a big number. 10 cents is a big number. Once it rolls past that 10 cents, probably off to the races, my friends. But we still have to fill that gap, I believe, to 2.025, 0.028. There's a little gap. We're going to come down. We're going to fill that gap. And once we start up, we may be off to the races, my friends, to 6 or 7 again. And we still may stay in that zone for quite a while. But I believe that this stock is going to do its thing, my friends. It's going to be a big winner for us starting off 2020, starting off the new year. Also, we're in it to win it with uranium, my friends, and with those rare earth stocks that are rare earth. I'm telling you, it's a real story, my friends. And we're going to have to get those from Canada. The Canadians and the U.S. have made an agreement. So those Canadian companies, those rare earth Canadian companies, are going to do exceptionally well. Those in America also are going to do well, as you've witnessed with Texas Mineral Resources, my friends. They're doing exceptionally well. And there are others, the Defense Metals. That's a company out of Canada that company is going to do exceptionally well. Once again, if you don't have any of the books, let me know. I will definitely make sure. Mickey D, you can go to Amazon.com, you can get them, and I'll make sure that you get them, my friends. That said, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful New Year's night, my friends. Do those things that you want to do. Don't get caught up. There are accidents all over the country. People are doing irresponsible things, my friends. That's not people on the scoop, but those other people are doing irresponsible things, my friends. Okay? Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you for 2020, my friends. We're the no-nonsense company here with the scoop, the no-nonsense show, my friends. I don't have a lot of bells and whistles for you. I have the information for you, and you take it and do what you want to do with it, my friends. People have made countless dollars and been able to go on vacation by listening just to the scoop, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Look for the next video coming up right now as I duck my head down, all right? Love you. Take care.